Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be working together on this basic equation. It just wants us to solve for x. I'll be glad you pause the video, give it a try before seeing my solution. That said, let's get into class. Now, this question wants us to solve for x. Basically, what we'll be doing is we'll be making x the subject of the formula. We've created a video on subject of formula. I will insert a link to that video in the description. Now let's solve it. It says 2x. It says 3 over 2x minus 2 over 3x is equals to 4. Now, we pick an LCM. In picking an LCM, my LCM will be 6x. Now, one common mistake I'll see students make is to pick my LCM as 6x squared, multiplying both denominators. Don't make that mistake. 2x in 6x, that's 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. Minus 3x in 6x, that's 2. 2 times 2, that's 4. Now this equals 4. 9 minus 4, that's 5 over 6x equals 4. So that I can now cross multiply. If I'm going to cross multiply, that means my 5 now will be the same thing as 6x times 4. That is 5 is the same thing as 24x. X obviously is the same thing as 5 over 24. I hope you got how I solve this equation. Else you can use the comment section to ask your questions. Thank you for staying with us and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you.